Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Daily Scope. Something extraordinary broke the silence in our skies this morning. A photo turned dark, then lit up again. The moon, the Venus. They didn't just align, they seemed to interact. An eerie glow, sudden flicker, a flash that didn't belong. By 3 a.m. UTC on June 22, 2025, millions looked east. They saw the rare Moon-Venus conjunction, a sight old as time. But this time, the sky whispered something new. NASA's instruments recorded a brief energy pulse, a magnetic fluctuation that defied prediction. Venus dimmed momentarily, so something passed, something large. For centuries, humans have read omens in the heavens. Tonight, the sky shared a secret, and not one of us fully understands it yet. Was this just light and gravity playing tricks? Or was there something deeper, something unknown? What if this cosmic moment revealed a truth hidden between Earth and the stars? Tonight we go where no one else has dared. We'll explore every angle. Natural, scientific, even speculative. Because what NASA won't, what mainstream media won't, what you need to know, we're about to uncover. A Moon-Venus conjunction is when our Moon and Venus line up in the sky, appearing extremely close. On June 22, 2025, the waning crescent moon passed less than a degree from Venus, a stunning morning spectacle confirmed by NASA. The Skywatching Guide is a highlight of the month. Globally, skywatchers grabbed their phones, telescopes, binoculars, all to capture the elegant pairing. Images streamed in from Dubai, Tokyo, London, Karachi, all framing the same cosmic moment. But soon, something strange emerged. Amateur astronomers reported a hypnotic, pulsing halo around the moon. Not the normal subtle halo, but a shifting, breathing aura. Better yet, Venus, usually steady and bright, flickered briefly. A planetary dimming? Impossible in calm skies? What caused it? Atmosphere? Light scatter could be, but records don't match. NASA quietly described it as a simple alignment, urging viewers to look east at sunrise. Nothing about anomalies, nothing about flickers or pulses. But inside, NASA and other observatories, all was different. Leaks to astronomy forums spoke of spikes, magnetic reflectivity changes, sudden energy signatures, localized magnetic disruption, unexplained reflectivity anomalies, terms not normally used for a photogenic sunrise conjunction. Correlate that with what happened in early 2020 when phosphine gas was detected in Venus's atmosphere. That led to uproar. Could Venus host microbial life? Now this year, a conjunction paired with signals again. Coincidence or cosmic pattern? Some scientists are raising the idea of gravitational resonance, where aligned bodies amplify forces, like two tuning forks, vibrating in harmony. If Earth's ionosphere and magnetosphere were hit by resonant waves, it could alter light scattering, hence the pulsing halo. But what about the glitch on Venus? Pulsing halo around the moon could be atmospheric, and we get halos sometimes. But Venus dimming? It's not physics under calm conditions. Which leads to a wild hypothesis. Something passed between us and Venus even briefly. Maybe a satellite. Maybe celestial dust. Maybe something else. In Chile, a private observatory observed rhythmic radio pulses during the conjunction window. Pulses that echo structures seen in deep space fast radio bursts, but more organized. Their early report, Non-Terrestrial Signal Cluster, June 2025, is under peer review. If verified, this suggests a source. Not from Earth's weather, not from the sun. Could Venus be emitting signals? Or something near Venus reacting? The James Webb Space Telescope was suddenly directed at Venus post the 22nd of June, not part of planned schedule. Emergency request filed. Why? JWST time is like gold. You submit emergency observations only if something serious is suspected. That's not speculation. That's action. And it suggests NASA is taking this seriously, simultaneously. A Canadian weather satellite recorded a thermal spike in Earth's upper atmosphere coinciding exactly with Venus. This flicker, could a charged particle wave have propagated from space? Could signals near Venus impact Earth in subtle ways? Bear in mind, Earth's atmosphere on June 22nd was calm. No solar storms, no meteor shower. What caused the heat anomaly? 3 a.m. UTC, moon rises near Venus. Observed pulsing halo around moon. Venus briefly dims. NASA notes magnetic and light anomalies. Chile observatory records signal pulses. Canadian satellite sees thermal spike. JWST observation request is filed. All in perfect temporal alignment. The odds of such a combinational coincidence? Astronomically low. Let's consider them. Atmospheric optics. Ice crystals or dust cause halos. Possible, but not synchronized with Venus dimming and radio signals. Solar, wind, or geomagnetic activity can create magnetic spikes. Again, possible. But solar weather was calm on June 22nd. Venusian cloud dynamics or volcanic activity. Venus has extreme volcanism. Could it shift something temporarily? Unclear. Satellite or space debris. A craft passing by would leave physical tracks. Radar would note it. None of these explain everything at once. No ice crystals alone impacts Venus's brightness. No solar storm aligns with Earth's thermal spike. No satellite confirms radar cross-checks. Which brings us to more speculative possibilities. On the fringe, but worth noting. Could a Venus-based signal emitter have responded to the conjunction? An artificial or intelligent source? It's not mainstream, but the pieces line up. Signal cluster from Chile Observatory. Orbital alignment causing gravitational trigger. Planetary flicker. Earth's magnetic and thermal response, it's the stuff of science fiction. But data doesn't care about human skepticism. Cross cultures from the Maya to the Babylonians to ancient China Moon-Venus alignments were considered pivotal. Change is written in the alignment. Babylonians. Heaven speaks through the moon, sister. Chinese. A celestial conversation unfolds. Maybe they weren't ignorant observers. Maybe they saw anomalies we often dismiss. And maybe, just maybe, they sensed significance. NASA analyzing JWST data. Chile team peer-reviewing radio reports. Weather satellites re-examining thermal anomalies. Amateurs pooling footage globally to pinpoint shared optical effects. Private space companies updating orbital predictions, presumably due to possible interference zones. Astrophysicists modeling gravitational resonance and magnetosphere interaction. It's a collaborative moment. Tree search. Science. All eyes on the next conjunction. July 21st, 2025. Next moon-Venus near conjunction in Gemini. Crucial test. Will anomalies repeat? If so, this isn't coincidence. More radio observatories joining in. JWST analysis to publish results. Satellite heat data watching repeat flare-ups. If any two of these match, again this story blows wide open. Natural phenomenon could be, but doesn't fit all data. It's gravitational resonance. A newer concept with some math behind it. Plausible. Artificial object. Interference from debris. Could explain planet flicker but not signals. Intelligent emitter on Venus. This is bold, but it fits multiple anomalies. Which is it? Only time and more data will tell. Take a moment and look up. Remember that our place in the universe isn't fixed. It's dynamic. It's active. It might even be watched. What began as a pretty conjunction may turn out to be one of the strangest events of 2025. An impossible halo. Planet that blinked. Signals. Magnetic spikes. Thermal responses. Jurassic flocks of data colliding in space. NASA won't talk. Not yet. But their actions make it clear. The sky is sending a message. If you care about what lies beyond Earth, you have to stay tuned. What do you think? Simple light trick? A gravitational quirk? A secret satellite? Or something more? Let your voice be heard. Your comment could be the spark a scientist needs. Make sure you're subscribed to the Daily Scope for daily cosmic revelations. Breaking space stories and mysteries they won't tell you anywhere else. We're living in the beginning of a new chapter, one written not just in books, but in the cosmos. Let's decode it together.